So this is a tutorial video showing you how StackGuard works in real life. I built StackGuard because of a specific need, and that need was a security need, right? StackGuard is a multi-step AI security agent that scans your tech stack against live vulnerability database. Talk about NVD, GitHub advisories, sync SNYK, right? Filters and categorizes CVEs by severity and explains each in plain English, and delivers a structured weekly report directly to your Slack channel. This is what StackGuard is, and this is StackGuard in action. It's an agent that I built on the CREAO platform, and here you see it in action. To run StackGuard, you need to input full name or team name, Slack channel, programming languages, your time zone, Slack incoming webhook URL, which is optional, front-end technologies, front-end technology versions, back-end technologies, back-end technology versions, language versions, databases versions, key packages or library versions, cloud or infrastructure tools versions. There are some fields that are optional, but adding the information for those fields would mean that the agent will give you more accurate results. And when you are done with inputting these details, you click on run agent and it will begin to work. As you can see on the screen, the agent begins to work with the information you have given it to ensure that the security of your stack is intact. And you see me clicking on my email address periodically. That was because this agent is multi-purpose and it had the capability of doing a lot, scanning a lot at the same time. Not just scanning, it also puts the results together and sends it over to a particular output location, which in this case is the Slack channel. So I was checking my credits periodically to see how much credit is going to consume to carry out the task, to see how much credit is going to consume to carry out the task. I kept checking and it was not changing. It was still 64 credits per time. So at the end of the day, throughout the run, we are going to see how much, or the number of credits that is finally consumed to finish up. So this is the agent bringing out the results bit by bit, brings out the result in dashboard format first before it compiles it and sends it to the Slack channel. So this is the amazing thing about this. Since I created the agent, all I have to do is to fill in the fields and it always does this for me. I don't have to do it by myself. And this agent is particularly amazing for programmers and developers. That's why it's called StackGuard. It helps you to see where there are loopholes and what you need to fix. Tighten up your security for what you have built, depending on the programming languages or stack that you used. So the agent gives you a dashboard overview of the results, and then it also gives you a breakdown explanation of the result. So it's from these two outputs, the dashboard and the breakdown, that it comes up with the main point, the things you actually need to solve, and send it to the Slack channel, because it's not going to send all of this. If it sends you all of this, the purpose of the agent is defeated. The purpose is so you are able to know what to actually do. So it's going to do all the work for you. If you need details, you always come back, get the details. But what you're going to get at the end of the day, let's say you built this for your team and your team only have access to see the Slack channel, you don't have access to see the back end, what's going on, like what I'm showing on the screen. So what your team will always see in the Slack channel is the end results, like what exactly are the execution plans, what are the pointers, what are the things to look at, what are the things to actually fix. That is what they're going to see at the end of the day. But should anybody want more detailed, comprehensive explanation, this thing that the agent is churning out here is detailed explanation. So now the agent is done with its analysis. done with the dashboard, it now wants to work on sending the execution pointers. What is good, what is bad, what is not so bad, what can be worked on, what cannot be worked on in terms of security. So this is analyzing how secure the stack you used to build, maybe probably a site, an app, or whatever thing that you build is analyzing the security and ensuring that there is nothing that is wrong. So that is basically what StackGuard as an agent is going to do. Right now, I have to go to my Slack to see if the agent has sent it there, but it hasn't. So we are going to wait and see. Okay, it's asking for approval here, so you have to approve. You have to approve. So this agent runs with human in the loop. It does not run autonomously by itself. So approving the access will now make it to start sending that details into the Slack channel that was selected. And here it comes. This is it. It's critical, high, fix this week, act today, and then the last one, medium, low, then clean, the things that are okay. So this is the amazing capability of StackGuard, and every developer needs this.